Okay, hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn Google Opinion rewards to use it to purchase paid apps in Google Play Store. Okay, so basically you go and download these apps as shown in the middle of the screens. Okay, so you can go to Google Play Store and search for rewards. Okay, and the first one that you see, Google Opinion Rewards, you can go ahead and download it. Okay, so once you downloaded it, okay, you will get these apps. Okay, so basically you can click on it inside. uh, okay, right now because there's no survey at this time. Okay, so if there's survey, basically they will send you a notification on your top left hand corner. It will show something which look like trophy on the top left hand corner. Okay, it will notify you through that symbol. Okay, so I will show you my reward history. Okay, so every time that you do your survey, they will credit the amount. Okay, and all the amount will be added up if you don't spend it. Okay, which looks something like this. You can see the $6.71 Google Play credit. Okay, so if you want to spend your Play credit, you can just go ahead and click on spend your Play credit. Okay, so immediately they will bring you to all the Google Play Store. Okay, you can just go ahead and purchase any paid apps. Okay, alternatively, if you want, you can share with your friend by clicking on the share this app with your friends. Okay, and else you can go and explore other tab under the settings tab. Okay, if you want, you can notify, you can turn on the notification sounds, else you can turn it off. Okay, for me, I always want to turn it on so that I can do the survey and earn the Google Opinions reward. Okay, also you can go and look inside the help and feedback. Okay, so once you click in it, they have the popular frequent asked question. You can just go ahead and click inside every one of them to see how it really works. Okay, like for example, sometimes you don't receive your rewards, you can go inside and see what's going on. Okay, so basically this is to help you earn credits to use it to buy apps. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and listening from yuriwhite.com.